soldiers are like Oh, this is so sad. 아니 이런 거 하면 올 것 같아. Sometimes it's like with exit, EXID.
Yeah, EXID, yes.
EXID became famous from we
Yes, or also like a rate.
Okay, you can introduce yourself.
Alright. Just 1 second. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Susan. 어떻게 웃기? Hi, I'm Susan. 안녕하세요, 수전입니다. I'm a dancer.
Hi, I'm Beth B, and I've got a YouTube channel where I talk about like Hallyu and SA, among other things. And yeah, I'm excited to be in this video today.
And I'm here to do some reactions.
And to react to these music videos. So yeah, let's start with the first one. It's a sad one, apparently. Okay, I've heard of GOD. Dear Mom. On a boat. Ooh, chilling.
I don't know, you watched the video.
It's like it pays homage to Paul Thabal's Canon in D, and it's like a nice thing to classical music that they added in there. I must say, I like this guy in the front. I like his hair. It's like, I like it. 그러자 어머님이 마지 못했건 내신 숨겨두신 비상금으로 시켜주신 짜장면 하나에 너무나 행복했었어. So it's about like a mother's sacrifice now. The sacrifice that she didn't eat all. 어머님은 짜장면이 싫다고 하셨어.
I like the song. I actually really like the song. You can have it on my phone.
Oh, it's actually really sad. Yeah. And the mom gave him the harmonica, but he was using the harmonica as a
도시락 까먹을 때 다같이 함께 모여 도시락 뚜껑을 열었는데 부잣집 아들려서 나게 화를 냈어 반찬이 그게 뭐냐면 나에게 뭐라고 했어 그러자 그 녀석은 내가 온다면 놀랬어 참을 수 없어서 일로 날아간 내 주먹에 일터에 계시던 어머님은 또다시 학교에 불려오시어 아니 또 끌려오시어 다시는 이런 일이 없을 거라며 비셨어 그 녀석 어머니께 그게 숨겨 비셨어 우리 어머니가
And how the mother like humiliates herself for him.
그렇게 살아가고 그렇게 후회하고
So it's like regretting. He's regretting how he didn't like take his mom's stuff out and treasure it. I think the mom died. And he didn't have a father.
This is their debut song. They debuted like pretty old.
It's so hard. And I was like carrying him up.
당신을 사랑했어 한 번도 말을 못했지만 사랑해요 이제 편히 쉬어요
Oh, that's so sad.
내가 없는 세상에서
And she's sprinkling the ashes in the river.
That was really sweet. It was a sweet song. It was really sad. GOD. I see why people hype them. I understand why everyone likes them. They make good music.
You didn't understand the lyrics before.
No, before I didn't know it was so sad.
But yeah,
Also, the debut song.
and that is quite touching, right?
Yeah, because you know usually debut songs are all like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like boy band.
Oh wow.
Boy band from JYP. Yeah.
I love all of JYP's artists.
Okay. So I've always heard about the song. It's a pretty famous song, Dear Mother, and I know it. I think I actually have it on my phone, and I always enjoyed the song, but I don't think I knew like the full meaning of the song. I always knew it was, it sounded like a letter to his mom, but then towards the end I realized that like the mom died and stuff like that, and it's in the lyrics as well. I was like, oh, but this is kind of sad, because the song itself, it is kind of like, you can tell it's like more of an emotional type of rap and stuff, but I didn't think it was gonna be like that deep.
It's got a very sad feeling, like a nostalgic feeling, like remembering all the things you did wrong. Sometimes you look back and you just remember all the mistakes you made and just want to say sorry, and sometimes you can't say sorry, and it's really sad.
And the music video, it looked kind of like a K-drama, like a high school type K-drama. It reminded me of K-dramas like School 2013, with like the bullies and stuff. That one guy who just slid his food off the tape, that was me for no reason. Yeah, but I enjoyed it. It's cool to watch, this came out 21 years ago. It came out in 1999, so I was 3 years old in 1999. And this is their debut song, right? But like, they were already like grown men. They weren't like, these days, like idols debut when they're like 15, 13 years old. And I'm like, wow, and these are fully grown men that debuted in the song. But it's pretty cool a lot.
I'm 22, so that was before I was born. I think with that, like, music doesn't really age, I don't think. I think if a song was good, it stays good. It doesn't stop being good because time has passed. So I think even though it's like such an old song, like people probably still listen to it, and I know I'm gonna go listen to it after this. And yeah, it's a really pretty song. I like the 90s vibes. It sounds like 90s music. It's nice.
I like that.
Yes, I saw like late in 2020 there's a lot of disco music.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's nice that people like use old music, because even when this song was made, they used like the chords were like a classical music song. So they even used music that was old for them back then. So now it's nice to hear it again.
And I already know June Park. He's really funny. Like he has what's up? He's great. He has a YouTube channel and everything. So I watch some of his videos and stuff. He's very like not like the typical Korean celebrities that you see, because he's like loud and he says what he wants and stuff like that.
He's acting like an American.
Yeah, because he's basically American. Yeah.
My mom. That's kind of deep. Okay, well, I don't know if my mom's gonna see this. I'll probably show it to her. But hi, my mother. Thank you for everything you've done for us and all the sacrifices you made to make sure that we had the life that you could never have. And you always reminded us how important education was and stuff, and thank you for that.
Oh. 갑자기. 아니 이런 거 하면 울컥 그랬대.
그렇게 해요.
아니요.
그렇게라고 지금 말하는 진짜.
Hi mom. Dear mom, I just want to say that I'm really grateful for everything you've done for me, for always being there and for just loving me, and for randomly just like coming up to me sometimes and hugging me. and yeah, and always asking how my day was when I come back from work. I love you.